a short and simple video of how I tie my hair down whenever it's in a curly ponytail. Even without the extensions, this is how I would tie my actual curly ponytail down, and how I just preserve this style. I've been wearing this for about, let's see, from like almost 6 days now. Like as far as refreshing it, I did forget to mention how I define the curls, and all I did was take a spray bottle filled with water, and I have a sample size of this Deva Curl Super Cream Coconut Curl Styler. It defines and controls the hair. And when I say a little goes a long way, like I probably only had maybe this much in my hand, and then I just, you know, rubbed it through with the curls wet. And then I took a dimming brush and kind of like, you know, clump the curls. But this hair is so good. Like, I only refreshed it maybe 2 times since I did this style. So whenever I refresh it, it's always in the morning time. I never do it at night because I just feel like it just doesn't make sense. Just do it in the morning. It's really quick. Spray with water, take like the smallest amount of cream, rub it through, and you're good to go. It needs to kind of be refreshed, but not even like that much, because it still looks good. It's really soft. By the way, this is by Beauty Forever Hair, and it's the Malaysian Curly in 18 inches. Make sure you guys watch the tutorial on this hair. I will have that at the end of this video. But I just want to show you how I tie my hair down and how I get in the shower with this. So, of course, for this part, you want to make sure you do your edges, because however you tie your hair down is how it's going to look when you untie it when you wake up, if that makes sense. So however you tie it down is how it's going to look when you take it off, basically. So I go ahead and like retouch at the kitchen, the edges or whatever. Just tie down any frizzy parts, or, you know, refresh any frizzy parts. Take your scarf and tie it down like so. This is like my favorite scarf to use, especially when I do a slick curly ponytail. And I just tie it around. I call this the girl do-rag. And I am just going to tie that around like so. And I always make sure my ears are out, because it's really aggravating to go to sleep when it's like over your ears. So I do that, and then I take this long scarf. If you guys saw me use this in my U part wig video, this is probably like the most bomb scarf you can like ever have. It's kind of like a tube scarf. And what I'm going to do, since this ponytail is so long, I'm going to start by taking this side, not this drawstring side, but this side, and I'm going to tuck it in like so, and then bring it up and put it over my head just like that. Now, of course, the ponytail is so long it's sticking out, so I'm just going to tuck this in, pull the drawstring. Now it's in there. And then, of course, for me to get in the shower, I just pull the ponytail up over my head, and then I tuck the string in, and then I put the shower cap over this, and I'm good. You can also go to sleep like this if you wanted to. It's totally up to you. Now I do have another version to preserve this. I have a scarf that looks like this that you can get at the beauty supply store. Same technique. I think I got this at Walmart probably. But I mean, you can find this in the beauty supply store. It's like the long type do-rag scarf or whatever. And I just do the exact same thing, you guys. So, just put it over like so. This is like the less fancy version. So I just do that, and then of course it has strings at the bottom. I'm just gonna tie it and then put my hair up like this, and then you want to put the shower cap over your hair to go in the shower. So that is basically it. Even if you have a satin pillowcase, you don't have to go to sleep with that over your hair. You can just go to sleep like this. But for the shower's sake, you want to make sure you have that to like cover the hair so it's not in the way while you're showering. But that is basically all I do, and this really makes the style last. Like, I'm pretty sure you can make this last for 2 weeks, honestly. But the hair itself, the Malaysian curly hair by Beauty Forever, it's that good, you guys. Like I said, I barely refreshed it, maybe like 2 or 3 times, but not that many times. It really doesn't have to be refreshed every morning, honestly, but the only reason I do it is because I like when the curls are super defined. But even when it's like a little frizzy and fluffy like this, it's still cute. And then this is the back. So I've really been preserving this for a good while, but yeah, that's basically it. That's all I wanted to show you guys. Make sure you watch the tutorial on this because I just freaking love this style. But anyway, I'm going to get ready for bed and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!